Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show step-by-step process how you can easily use keyboard as a mouse in Windows 11. So when you're gonna come here and you're gonna have a Windows, you want to go on the bottom, right click and click settings. Now here, when you're gonna be, you want to go to accessibility, and in accessibility you want to simply scroll down below and then mouse, and use your numeric keypad to move your mouse pointer, and only use mouse when the numlock is on, and you can all change the mouse key speed, mouse keys acceleration and everything. If this video was helpful, thank you very much guys for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yep, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.